Your doctor has never tested them. Your gym trainer has never trained them. Most people live their entire lives without ever activating them once. But they are there, right now, sitting inside your body, waiting. 8 biological systems built over millions of years that your body keeps completely hidden until the moment your life depends on them. And when they activate, you become something measurably different from what you are right now. Number 8. The pupils. Start with something you've seen but never understood. When danger is detected, your pupils don't just dilate slightly. They expand to their maximum possible diameter, increasing the total light entering your eye by up to 92%. Researchers measuring pupil response in threat scenarios found the change happens in 200 milliseconds, faster than a single heartbeat. Your eyes physically redesign themselves before your conscious brain has processed what it's looking at. You don't decide to see better in danger. Your body decided that for you, millions of years ago. Number 7. The spleen. Most people think the spleen is a backup organ, something doctors remove and nothing changes. They are wrong. Under extreme physical stress or perceived mortal threat, the spleen contracts violently, releasing a concentrated surge of red blood cells directly into the bloodstream. Studies measured an increase of up to 215 milliliters of oxygenated blood entering circulation in seconds. Your muscles get stronger, your reaction speed increases, your endurance extends. The spleen is not a backup organ. It is your body's emergency performance injection, and it only fires when it thinks you might die. Number 6. The adrenal glands. 2 small glands sitting on top of your kidneys. Combined weight, 10 grams, smaller than a golf ball. In a threat scenario, they release adrenaline into your bloodstream at a rate that researchers describe as almost instantaneous. Heart rate jumps, blood pressure spikes, stored glucose floods your muscles. But here is the detail most people miss. The adrenal glands don't wait for your brain's permission. They receive signals directly from your nervous system and fire independently, bypassing conscious thought entirely. Your body activates its most powerful chemical system without asking you first. Number 5. The coagulation cascade. Your blood right now is thin. It flows easily. It is designed for circulation, not crisis. The moment your body detects serious physical trauma, a sequence of 23 separate chemical reactions activates simultaneously, changing the physical properties of your blood within seconds. Clotting factors multiply. Platelets rush to breach sites. Fibrin networks form across wounds faster than any medical bandage could be applied. Researchers studying battlefield injuries found that the human coagulation cascade, when fully activated, can slow blood loss from fatal wounds significantly enough to extend survival windows by critical minutes. Your blood is not one thing, it is 2 different substances depending on whether your life is at risk. Number 4. The pain suppression system. There are documented cases of soldiers continuing to fight after sustaining injuries that should have been immediately incapacitating. Athletes finishing competitions on broken bones. Accident survivors moving through scenarios that should have paralyzed them. This is not willpower. The brain maintains a dedicated pain suppression system, releasing endogenous opioids directly into the nervous system under extreme threat conditions. Researchers found that the pain suppression response can reduce perceived pain intensity by up to 80% during active threat scenarios. Your brain has a painkiller system more powerful than most medical drugs. It only unlocks it when it calculates that feeling pain would get you killed. Number 3. The vocal system. The human scream is not an accident. Research published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that screams occupy a very specific acoustic frequency range, between 30 and 150 Hz roughness, that bypasses the brain's normal sound processing and triggers the amygdala directly. It does not go through conscious evaluation. It goes straight to the fear center. Every human brain on Earth is pre-wired to respond to this frequency with immediate alarm, regardless of language, regardless of culture, regardless of whether you have ever heard a scream before. When you scream in danger, you are not expressing fear. You are hacking the nervous systems of every human within earshot. Number 2. The tonic immobility response. When a threat exceeds a certain threshold, when the brain calculates that fighting or running are no longer viable, it activates something researchers call tonic immobility. The body freezes completely. Muscles lock. Breathing slows to near undetectable levels. The eyes remain open, but stop processing normally. Studies found this response exists across almost every vertebrate species on Earth. It is one of the most ancient survival mechanisms in existence. And here is the detail that makes it impossible to dismiss. Predators are triggered by movement. Tonic immobility makes you disappear from their threat detection system. Your body knows this. It has known it for 400 million years. You did not learn to play dead. You were built with the program already installed. Number 1. The tunnel vision system. Every system on this list serves the same master. Under maximum threat, the brain performs a radical act of prioritization. It reduces blood flow to peripheral vision processing. It narrows conscious awareness to a single focal point. It shuts down non-essential cognitive functions, creativity, social processing, long-term planning, and redirects every available resource to one thing: survival. Right now, in front of you. Researchers studying combat veterans found that in active threat scenarios, subjects lost awareness of events happening less than 3 feet outside their direct line of sight. Time perception distorted, sounds became muffled or disappeared. Your brain does not try to process everything when your life is at risk. It decides what matters. It cuts everything else. And what it cuts and what it keeps tells you exactly what your brain was built to do. You were not built to think clearly under pressure. You were built to survive it.